Oh.
You broke it? Oh, of what?
Uh-oh.
The spatula?
Yeah. Does it say to flatten it to the bottom?
No.
Just soften?
Yeah. Shallow lines.
Yeah, no. It's gonna be a while. No, it's smoothing out. Look at that. Right? Yeah, you look at flour. Yes. All good? Alright, so let's incorporate it all. Probably about to.
How long does it take to create?
Like 10 minutes sometimes. The top is starting to brown a little bit, so we're gonna leave it in for about 5 or so more minutes. Inside the oven is a little lopsided. Oh!
How's that?
It's hot. Oh! Right, we need to let it cool for like an hour. Oh my god. Oh! This is not a good sign. We'll see. Let's let it cool and we'll see, I guess. Even though it's yours, I've been wanting to try it. Is this mine? No, this is yours. This one's mine.
Can I use the sriracha?
Yeah, can you take it out for the both of us? This is really raw. Okay. I think that's good, sorry. Never eaten out of this bowl like this before. This is the bowl they used to keep the candy too. Can I try your... What is what? This is good. Can I have a little bit of the basil as well?
Try noodles too.
I have the same noodles, it's fine. I don't know. There's a place that does this really well near my office.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is like the sauce they used to do them vermicelli bowls too. Oh. Should I keep it on the paper? I have a feeling it turned out well. Oh. That was not a good half. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Sorry, these are not gonna be even. I think we offer this tomorrow. Oops. I'm ready. Taste. Oh. It's nice.
Good?
Oh, very good.
What's the texture?
It's like very creamy. It's good, isn't it? We made that? Let me toss out the tea bags. Like, do you remember the cake that we had?
Could be a little sweeter.
Yeah.
It's nice though.
How's the texture for you?
It's good. I don't know how much like creamier it would have been with this flour.
Yeah. I saw online earlier that like authentic basque cheesecake is 100% cream. There's no flour at all. No. A lot of people said that like getting the crust to brown like this is the hardest part.
More specifics because I have so many theories.